Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a simple voice recorder app in Sketchware. So here in main.xml I have this start button, stop button, then text view underscore file for displaying the name of the file, the audio file, and text view underscore message for displaying any message. Then here in components I have added speech to text component. This will add the permission to record audio. Okay, and in library I have switched on app compat and design. In on create I have added this block write string to file path. This will add the read and write permissions. After this I created a string variable called output file, and I also created a custom variable. You can add custom variable like this. So I created this custom variable of type media recorder, and its name is media recorder with M as small letter. So first I set the stop button set enabled false, and after this I define the downloads directory, and then I define the file name. The file name will be recording underscore the current time in milliseconds dot 3gp. The file name will be of .3gp type. Then I define the file as downloads directory plus the file name, and this output file is the string variable. This is equal to the absolute file path of this file. Okay, so in this way I set the file. Okay, after this I have created these two more blocks, start recording and stop recording. In start recording, this is the code. You can find this code in link in description. So here I define the media recorder as a new media recorder and set the audio source to mic, set the output format to 3gp, set output file to output file, and set audio encoder to AMR NB. And then I start this media recorder, and I set the start button to set enable false and stop button set enabled true, and I display this text recording started in text view underscore message. So this is in on start. Okay, this is in start recording button, sorry, more block. So this is start recording more block. Now the stop recording more block contains this code. So if media recorder is not null, then I stop the media recorder, release the media recorder, and set media recorder to null, and I set the start button enabled and stop button disabled, and I show this message recording stopped. Okay, so this is in stop recording. So when this start button is clicked, I start recording, and when stop button is clicked I stop recording, and I display the file name in text view underscore file. So that's all. Here you can see how this works. So here is the app. It first asks permission to record audio. After this, permission to access the files. Okay, so now when I click on start recording,